So let's be in touch. I'm very much impressed. I'm going to message you. If it's possible for me to contact you, I'm definitely impressed by your skills.
Problem. You can have my WhatsApp number if you want. You can get in touch, or you can also text me on Upwork.
Good morning. How do you do?
Good morning. How's it going?
Very well. I just had to grab my first coffee. That's the reason.
Okay, no worries, no worries. That's fine.
Yeah, I was hoping just to catch up with coffee before you come. And so it's nice meeting you.
Same here, same here. How are you?
Very well. Actually, I'm very excited about the project. Maybe I can tell you a little bit about it and about the prospects
Okay.
of this project. I am coming from the academics from the university, and for the last 24 years, I was attending conferences worldwide. So, I don't know if you attended any academic conferences, but basically all the professors come. Each one is presenting a paper, and we have like one lecture which is central. It's longer, it's central of someone more famous or attuned in the field. And we have some kind of activity for networking. That's more or less, And then I decided also to start organizing with friends a series of conferences. And the first one will be in Abu Dhabi in the beginning of April. So 4 to 6 April, it's going to be in Abu Dhabi. And what is very easy in academic field is that you can find emails and details everywhere.
Okay.
Because people, there is no problem of headhunting. People mostly like their workplace, so they stay there. And we work by reputation, so we want people to know us, to know our paper, and that's important. So I coupled already a list of 500 contacts. It has indications also of the names of the author, of the professor, where they come from, which university, which location, the full name, of course. And also I have the title of the paper. So the plan is to say, dear Professor this and this, I read with great interest your paper entitled blah, blah, blah. Okay, the title. And I would like to, or I see a good fit, a good match between your work and the conference we're organizing. I would like to invite you to submit your paper and so on for presentation.
Okay.
Or your research, your other studies for presentation, and then simply to send it out and to reach as many people as possible because it's relatively easy to obtain emails. Now, out of that, we will see who will find interest. Are people closer to Abu Dhabi, longer? So would people come from Europe, for instance, or not? From Saudi Arabia, from Bahrain, Indonesia, Malaysia, which is relatively close to Abu Dhabi, or even from the US, because I have there everything in the list.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm not familiar with email campaigns. I get them all the time, okay, inviting me to conferences. There are good examples, there are bad examples of emails, but basically it's very, very simple email. So no HTML, no template, nothing like that.
Got it. Okay. You have the list ready, the people you want to send email, or you want to you have the source or software to collect the emails.
No, I have the list, 500 people.
Okay.
To begin with. Okay.
500. Okay.
I have 2 domains registered, which are similar to my domain, which is called the SciSphere, like scientific sphere. And they're like SciSphere academic.net.org, but a little bit different. And it's going to be sent from the secretariat email, secretariat at SciSphere academic, blah, blah, blah. Very simple.
I don't know. We already bought the domain from Microsoft or from Google.
No, I bought it from Hostinger.
No, the domain, where's the email is from? You connected the domain with Google Workspace or with Microsoft?
No, I haven't connected with anything. No.
Or we haven't created the email yet.
I have a forward contact connecting, but not anything beyond that. So let me just explain what I have. The work domain, so the domain that is real, let's say not for the campaign, but for emailing one each other and so on. It's called scipher.org. Okay, so this should not be polluted because this is also the domain of the website. And the domains that exist on Hostinger for email. And also I have a forward push, or not forward, but every couple of minutes, it's asking the Hostinger, the Gmail is asking Hostinger, is there an email? And pulling the email. That's how it works. Into some kind of Gmail, which is called scipheracademic@gmail.com. Okay. And beyond that, there are two domains purchased via Hostinger, which are called, as I told you, scipheracademic.net and .org. And the purpose of these is for the campaign.
For the campaign, got it. You bought any tools like instantly already, or you're gonna buy?
I don't have any knowledge which one, and this is part of the strategy that I would like to work with a contractor in order to say, lad, buy this one or that one, or this is the best.
Got it. As you mentioned, like you have a 500 list. So you have any plan to increase the list in future, or you wanna only send only to 500 and then done?
No. To increase, because it's very easy to collect, and I would like to increase as much as possible to get as many as possible results.
Okay. Let me tell you a little bit background about myself, then I will walk you through the process according to your plan. I've been doing email marketing for the last 6-7 years. I have experience using different kind of email marketing tool like Klaviyo, MailChimp in the past, and recently the most trending tool is like Instantly and SmartLead. When it comes to sending email, people are struggling with landing into inbox. The most difficult part is people are like landing spam, which we don't want. And for that, we need to make sure that we set up those email accounts in a proper way, like the DNS record, DMARC, SPF, DKIM, so that we can make sure the deliverability. And also we need to make sure that in the first email, we don't use any HTML code, any link, any photos, so that we can directly land into their inbox. We can send this. Yeah, we can send them, but on the second email or the follow-up email, not in the first email. Okay, and depending upon your target, we can get more domains. Like if your target is to send like 500 email per day, then we have to get a minimum 6 domain, 18 email accounts. And if your target is send 1000 email per day, then it's gonna be like 12 domain, 36 email accounts. According in your case, you have a very minimum list. I guess you don't need that much of domain. 2 domain is fine for now, as you have only 500 list. And when it comes to instantly have different packages and plan. The starter plan is like growth plan, and they're charging $37 for the growth plan. You can start with that, I guess, because you don't have a big list. You have only 500 email list. In 37 US dollar, you will be able to send 1000 email, and that's enough for now. If you need to increase that, you can upgrade the plan later on. That will be my suggestion. And when it comes to the email account, the sending accounts, you have 2 domains. So we will have to create 3 email from each domain. As you have 2 domains, so we can create maximum 6 email accounts from those 2 domains, and we will be able to send around 180 emails per day from those 2 domains. So first plan would be we need to create email accounts from using those 2 domains. Then we have to warm them up. We have to connect them with with Instantly and start the warm-up process, because those are like fresh email account, new email account.
How long would it take to warm up?
Warm-up period will take like minimum 2 weeks, 14 days.
Wow, and that's a little bit stressful.
You wanna start right away?
Right away, yeah.
Right away.
If have any, so
You have any email like already warmed up, or you have created already something like that?
no, not yet.
I have a email account that's already warmed up, but that's a different domain. I don't know whether it's gonna work for you or not. I have some email accounts in my instantly that is already warmed up for last 2 weeks, for more than 2 weeks. You can use that, but that domain name is kind of different.
I see. So let me think about it. Is it a must, the warm-up?
Warm up is much because the reason is those are fresh email account, and if we start sending email without warming up, there are chances that we may land in the spam.
The only warm-up I did is to send a try or test email to see that it's working.
Yes. When is the deadline? I mean, when do you want to start, and when should we like finish the marketing, sending emails?
I believe that starting is as soon as possible, if possible. I don't know if from the warm-up email we can start sending even small amounts and then increase them by the risk of being blocked maybe. And then in parallel we will warm up too and continue.
So I have a domain name Lead Gen Pro. I don't know whether it's gonna work for you or not. If you want, you can use my domain. I have 3 email accounts using from that domain, and those are already warmed up. You can start with that. In the meantime, you can warm up your email account. So we can start your my email if that's okay with you. And once
Can we, yeah, by the way, can we send manually emails?
manual emails,
Yeah, and from the non-warmed up domains, my domains, can I begin sending manually emails?
manually, how many you wanna send per day?
To be cautious, up to 20.
Then you need to take break. Like you cannot set 20 at one time. Send 5, then take a break, then another 5, take a break, another 5, take a break. In that way,
What does it mean, take a break?
mean like give it like 1 hour, 2 hour break, and then send another 5. Like then and take. You can schedule those email. Like how
Is it possible? Yeah, is it possible up to 50 even? 50 or 80 like that or not?
I don't think in the beginning you cannot do 50. Then you will land spam again.
Okay, so up to 20, 30.
20 is fine. 20 is fine. You can schedule your from your Gmail account. You can schedule the email. Like in every 2 hours, they will send 5 emails every 2 hours. So you can cover 20 emails in a day.
Like a person doing
Like a person, yes. You can set up the template, set up the email accounts, and set up the schedule time. Every 2 hours, it will send 5 emails.
And can we also warm them up in parallel or not?
We can warm them up using the tool like instantly. You can buy instantly and connect those email accounts with instantly and start the warm up process. You can do that.
Okay, so this is great. Another question I had in mind, yeah. I can use AI tools to create variants. So like I tell you, I'm cordially invite you to the conference. The I will ask it and it will generate another one. You are warmly invited to participate in our conference.
I mean, spin text instantly has that features. If you buy instantly has AI integrated. You can also do that using instantly. Instantly will make different phrases, different sentences with the same meaning. So you can do those immediately.
It's possible as well not to be stamped.
Yes, it's possible as well. Yeah.
Okay, and so you work on an hourly basis, right?
I work on hourly basis. I work on monthly basis. It's totally up to you.
I see. And you wrote me the hourly charge. What is your monthly charge, by the way?
It depends how many hours you want me to work on. Is it like 1 hour, 2 hour per day, or you want me to work 8 hours per day? Then I can.
I believe in the beginning because it's our first conference. It will be 1 hour or less, maybe a little bit per day, just to see everything is working well, not blocked, etc. But we will start introducing more conferences in the series in the next days. So I believe that that can grow as well.
Okay.
Okay, so definitely we are interested to build up, organization, a marketing organization for academic events. That's the purpose.
Then you start with hourly basis. Once you like increase the working hour, working time, then you can discuss again. We can fix monthly rate later on.
Definitely. So if it's possible for me to contact you. I'm definitely impressed by your skills.
Problem. You can have my WhatsApp number if you want. You can get in touch, or you can also text me on Upwork. That's not a problem.
No problem. I'll get you on Upwork is the best, and I thank you very much. It looks very, very clear now. And your recommendation is to work with instantly, given the
Yeah, I would suggest instantly as you don't have any e-commerce business. Klaviyo is mostly for e-commerce business. Those who have Shopify store, they use Klaviyo, MailChimp. But yours is like your conference. You want to send them plain text. So in your case, instantly would be the best one.
Yeah, we are academics, so it's the most boring business in the world, and we liked it like that. Yeah.
For your case, Instantly is good, I guess. Not Klaviyo.
If I will, pump up the email and the how it looks and so on, people will not like it. That's how it works. It's very unconventional word indeed. So let's be in touch. I'm very much impressed. I'm going to message you.
Sure, I'll be waiting for your text.
Thank you very much. And by the way, Munir, do you have also a experience looking into text?
Sorry, I didn't get that. What did you say?
Into the email text. Like you say, look, here it's going to be blocked because it had some keywords or I don't know.
A spam word? You mean a spam word?
Yeah, exactly. Like, I don't think that we will have it because it's a very academic call, but
We don't worry. It instantly has a spam checker. If you have any spam word in your template, we can remove those words and you can replace those words. That's not a problem.
okay. Sure, I'll be very happy to be in touch with you. Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
You too. Bye bye. Thank you.